Greetings, it's Saturday, December 23rd, 2023. I just began Under the Wings 79. It's going to be a memorial portrait to Hannah Senesh, the Hungarian-born Jewish woman who became a partisan. She had moved to pre-state Israel, Palestine then. After school, she joined a kind of like paramilitary organization, was eventually parachuted into Yugoslavia. When she got to the Hungarian border, she was arrested, tortured, imprisoned, tortured, and executed by the Arrow Cross fascist regime, which oversaw the murder of tens of thousands of Jewish and Romani Hungarians, and also was complicit in the deportation of hundreds of thousands of Jewish Hungarians to Auschwitz, where they were murdered. Anyway, even though I've done 2 life-size drawings, there's one of them there. You can see it right there. Boy in rags and the Armitage boy in the Warsaw Ghetto, and another one called Girl in Rags in the Warsaw Ghetto. I believe that the portrait I've drawn here, look at the size of my hand, will actually be the largest portrait I've done in terms of the size of the head of the person I'm memorializing for Tolerance Education. All right, to be continued. I don't have, it's going to be a kind of a smaller area for whatever I decide to do here. Might have a wing, a metaphoric bird's wing. Recent years I've been doing a lot of allegorical sea monsters, so I may do that. We'll see. I'll decide. I could get 1 or 2 wings in there. I could even do a couple of parakeets. Hey, nice singing over there, guys, gals, boys. All right, to be continued. Under the Wings 79, just begun today.